Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer a question: which is the largest bank in Abu Dhabi? Now, the largest bank in Abu Dhabi and also the largest in the UAE by total assets is First Abu Dhabi Bank, also called FAB. You see, it was formed in 2017 through the merger of the National Bank of Abu Dhabi (NBAD) and First Gulf Bank (FGB). So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more to be able to get informed about new videos which we upload every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.